Hey, how's it going, y'all? Charles here from AllCoastLawncare. Thanks for watching our lawn care / pressure washing channel. So we have pressure washing services in our side hustle / lawn care business. So this right here, y'all, is my pool. My wife, she wanted me to surface clean the pool area because like I've been focusing on other people, and like, you know what, I got start doing some me time on our pool. So this is how I do it, y'all, and what not to do. So first, what not to do is don't forget to put on iPro. Okay, I totally forgot to put on iPro in this video, and I didn't want to stop because I was in a time crunch. I was trying to hurry up and get this done so I go to church. But so what I do, y'all, so I didn't apply no SH on here. I didn't pre-treat with SH. I'm just using straight up water with a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, and this is a 16-inch surface cleaner. Okay, as you just see right now, instead of using my my pressure washer gun, I'm using the valve off to rinse off. Okay, so it's important, y'all, if you're gonna do this, if you're gonna service pool areas, you need to put out a disclaimer or let the customer know that you're not going to guarantee any of the debris not going inside your pool, not going inside the pool. Okay. On this video on my own pool, okay, I wasn't really that concerned of the gray water going inside the pool because it's my pool, y'all, right? So, but if you're gonna be doing this for a customer, you have to be very professional. Okay, so you have to take your time, be mindful where the gray water is going. You see right there, I was going inside the pool. Be mindful where it's going, and spray the gray water away from the pool. Okay, because it's very unprofessional. I don't have the end video. I don't have the ending of this video, but the pool was totally like, I feel bad. My wife, she did a good job in cleaning the pool. It was like crystal blue, and when I was done doing the whole pool, it was just like green and gray. All right, so be mindful, y'all. Okay, when you're doing this. All right, so hey, thanks for watching this. Okay, so remember, always use iPro. All right, because when you use a pressure washer gun, when it's pointing down at the concrete may splash up or debris may splash up and hit your eye. Okay, but thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment and please like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to this channel. And always God bless, and see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.